सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज़ पोलिनोमियल्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जो बेसिक टर्म्स हैं दैट इज़ एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन, वो हमें पता होना चाहिए। एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन, सो व्हाट इज़ एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन? ये आपने अपनी 7th और 8th क्लास में इसको स्टडी किया था। सो लेट अस रिकॉल बाय सम एग्जांपल्स। x+3, याद आया कुछ? x+3 इज एन एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन। देन x+1/x, y² + y+3, x² + 5x + 6। सो ऑल दीज आर एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन। आपने इसको एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीज़न भी किया हुआ है इनका, और इनकी फैक्टराइजेशन भी की हुई है अर्लियर क्लासेस में। इनको हम एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कहते हैं। तो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन बेसिकली होता क्या है? सो एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स एंड कॉन्स्टेंट्स। सो नाउ व्हाट आर वेरिएबल्स एंड व्हाट आर कॉन्स्टेंट? Constants whose values cannot be changed, values of constant is fixed, but value of variable is not fixed. Here 3 is constant because value of 3 is fixed, but x is variable because we can give any value to x. Suppose we can fill here 1 2 3 4 5. So x is variable and 3 is constant. So algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables. Now comes to the polynomial. So what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression that have whole number as the exponent of variable. That means वो वाले algebraic expression polynomials होते हैं जिनके वेरिएबल्स का जो एक्सपोनेंट है, वेरिएबल्स की जो पावर है वो होल नंबर हो। होल नंबर स्टार्ट कहाँ से होते हैं? 0 से। 0 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन, दीज आर होल नंबर्स। सो इज दिस एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन इज पॉलिनोमियल? इज दिस ए पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट? सी, एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ वेरिएबल इज 1. You will see only exponent of variable, not exponent of constant. So here exponent of variable is 1. 1 is a whole number. So yes, this is a polynomial. Next, x plus 1/x. We can write this as this also, x as it is, and 1/x को हम x raised to power -1 जैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Now here exponent of x is 1, but here exponent of x is -1, and -1 is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. Next, y² + y+3. Here exponent of y is 2 and exponent of y is 1, so 2 and 1 both are whole number, so yes, this is a polynomial. Next, x³ + x² + 5x + 6. Here exponent of x is 3, exponent of x is 2. Here exponent of x is 1, so 3 2 1 all are whole numbers, so this is a polynomial. So polynomial is an algebraic expression in which whole number as a exponent of variable. Now comes to the terms of the polynomial. Suppose we have polynomial x² + 2x + 3. So how many terms of this polynomial? These have 3 terms. First term is x², second is 2x, and this is 3. So first term, second term, third term. So this polynomial have 3 terms. Let us take another example. How many terms this polynomial have? This polynomial have 4 terms. X raised to power 4, x³, 2x², and last one is -5. So these have 4 terms. In this polynomial 3 terms, and in this polynomial we have 4 terms. Now comes to the coefficient of the polynomial. What is coefficient? Each term has a coefficient. We studied what are terms. Now each term has a coefficient. Suppose we have a polynomial x4, x cube plus x square minus 1. Here coefficient of x raised, first of all, how many terms are there? There are 4 terms. X raised to power 4, 2x raised to power 3, x square and minus 1. So each term has coefficient, that means all 4 terms have coefficient. Now coefficient of x raised to power 4, what is coefficient of x raised to power 4? 1. Coefficient of x raised to power 3, coefficient of x raised to power 3 is 2. That means what is the coefficient? Coefficient is the constant that is attached to that variable. Coefficient of x square 1, and last one is constant term, because in the last term no variable is there, so this is called as constant term. So constant term is minus 1, or you can say that minus 1. We can also write x raised to power 0. Why? Because x raised to power 0 is 1. Something raised to power 0 is 1. So I can write this, I can write minus 1 as minus 1 x raised to power 0. So also you can say that this is a coefficient of x raised to power 0 or constant term. So minus 1 is a coefficient of x raised to power 0, or you can say that this is a constant term. Now let us take another example. So here, what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficient of x cube is minus 2. So coefficient of x cube is minus 2. Now, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square here? See, there is no term of x square. So coefficient of x square is 0. Why? Because we can write this polynomial as x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 0 into x square plus 5. Because 0 into something is 0. So this thing is equal to this thing. Now coefficient of x square is 0. Coefficient of x square is 0. Next comes degree of a polynomial, which is very important concept. Degree of polynomial. So what is the degree of polynomial? Highest power of variable in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. Let us take example. So here power of x is 6, here power of x is 4, here power of x is 3, here power of x is 1. So what is the highest power of a variable? Highest power of variable is 6. So degree of polynomial is 6. So degree of polynomial is 6. Understand up to here? Next, basis on degree. We have 3 terms: linear, quadratic and cubic. So a polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial, and quadratic, a polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and a polynomial whose degree is 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Examples: 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Here degree of polynomial is 1 because highest power of variable is 1. So 2x plus 3 is a linear polynomial. Minus 3x. This is again a polynomial and highest power of variable is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. So examples of quadratic polynomial. Here highest power of variable is 2. So degree is 2. If degree is 2, then this is a quadratic polynomial. Then cubic polynomial. Here highest power of variable is 3. Here 3, 2, 1, 0. So highest power is 3. So degree is 3. If degree is 3, then that is a cubic polynomial. So what we learn up to here? First of all, algebraic expression, then polynomial, then terms of polynomial, then coefficient, then degree, and then linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now my question to you is 2 a polynomial? Is 2 a polynomial? Only 2. So answer is yes. It is a polynomial. Now is 2 a polynomial? We say yes, this is a polynomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial. So you can write 2 as 2x raised to power 0. Why so? Because x raised to power 0 is 1. So we can write 2 as 2x raised to power 0. So degree is the highest power of variable. Here highest power is 0. So degree is 0. So similarly, if I ask you here 3 is a polynomial, you will say yes, this is a polynomial. And what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 0. Now my question to you is 0 a polynomial? Is 0 a polynomial? So answer is yes, this is a polynomial and this is called 0 polynomial. This is called 0 polynomial. Now my question to you is degree of polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial. Now what is the degree of 0 polynomial? So answer of this question I will ask you in the online class. So thank you students. Till then revise 2.1 exercise. Okay students.